Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a Fashion Over try-on haul. I wanted to get everything at the beach, but I wasn't able to. But I got a couple pieces at the beach, and I thought it'd be nice, since it's summer, to kind of take you with me, see unedited, unfiltered realness. So this first piece, it's not the most flattering on me, I will say. It also has like a little bodysuit inside, and I'm showing you guys here, like I'm picking it out so you can see that it has like a little bodysuit inside, and I didn't clip it. I'm just wearing my bathing suit underneath, and you can see I'm wearing like a triangle top, a little bikini top, and then I'm wearing a black suit underneath. But if you're wearing an orange suit underneath and then you clip it, I think it would look so cute. Or like a white suit or a nude suit. Again, I was just wearing black because that's what I normally wear, and it fits, nice, and it looks good with everything. So when I'm shooting, it's a little bit hard, but if I was wearing this out, I'd probably wear like a nude or orange or white or something. But like I said, I don't think it's the most flattering on me personally. I don't know, maybe you guys disagree, but I love it. I think it's so cute. I love the little connected cutout thing that you see that everyone is wearing right now. I think it's so pretty. I love the bright orange color, but it's not like super intense. It's like a sorbet kind of orange. It's so pretty. I really like it. Super stretchy, great for vacation wear, very breathable, very like you could wear this in the water and it would like immediately dry. So if you're wearing it to like a pool party or to Vegas or something and you don't want to actually take it off, you could wear it like over your swimsuit and be in the ocean or the pool and feel comfortable because it dries really quickly. Just a really beautiful little summer piece for vacation or anything. So I love it. I think it's really cute. Okay, next we have this really beautiful little two-piece set. I love this. Super trendy. Again, this is like a really soft jersey fleece material. Really soft, really cute. It's a really nice little two-piece, like I said. If you're taller than me, it's gonna look a little bit better. I'm short, so the torso area is a little big for me. Like you can see the cutouts go kind of high. And if I was wearing like maybe a nude suit or no suit, I think it would look really nice. But again, I'm shooting out in public, so I have to wear like a bikini underneath. And the top, I'm not wearing a bikini. That was tricky to shoot in public, but I love how it looks. It just gives like very tropical mermaid vibes. I think it's so freaking just pretty and trendy, but still like classic. The halter top could be worn as like a bikini top. Again, I love two-piece sets because you can play around and wear them with different pieces. So you can wear the top with jeans or shorts and then wear the skirt as a separate little piece. Again, this set might not be for like actually in the water. I think this would be better as like a, you're at a resort and you're gonna go have dinner kind of outfit by the ocean or a pool party. But I wouldn't wear this in the water. And the top is just so cute. Again, I think you could wear the top in the water as a bikini top if you were just like chilling. It's going to take a little longer to dry. But, you could get crazy, do your thing. And I love it. It's not the most supportive top. So if you have really big girls, just know that. But just to lounge and look pretty and look cute, I think it's really nice. I love the color. It's just so beautiful to look at. Okay, next we have probably one of my favorite pieces in this haul. This gorgeous maxi dress. So this is definitely a go-to summer dress that you could have for years to come. It's a classic silhouette. Anybody can wear this. It has a nice little bit of support. The top is a little bit big on me, and I have like saggy girls, so you can tell that for me, it's a little bit unsupportive, but I don't really mind it. You can always have somebody like tighten it a little bit more in the back if you have someone who can do that for you. But it's just so beautiful. I love the detail of there's like this button ruched part at the waist. And then I also love that in the back it has that little tie and you can make a little bow, which looks so freaking cute. I love that little detail. I love that it has buttons going down the front and then it has like a little slit. I believe you may be able to unbutton it. I'm not sure. but it has the perfect little slit where you get more of a breathable kind of feel, and it's not too covered up, because sometimes, especially if you are bigger like me and you have big hips, sometimes maxi dresses can make you look bigger. And not even to mention, the color is so beautiful. I love this tropical print with the orange and the teal. It's so beautiful. It has like this palm print, and you can see blowing in the wind, it's not blowing up. So it's a really nice weight if you are going to wear it like on the beach or on vacation or something. It's so beautiful. This would also make a really nice summer brunch kind of look as well. Really love this piece. Probably the most wearable out of everything in this haul. Okay, next we have this really fun, colorful dress. This kind of gives me like very 80s vibes, but in a fun, like new way. I love this really fun back here because the front is super covered up. It's super like long, and it's not showing a lot of skin in the front, but then in the back you get this like really sexy fun cutout. As you can see, I was having a little too much fun with the cutout situation. oh, I'm gonna cough, excuse me. So yeah, I love that it has like this really cute shape here, and then the cutouts in the little waist area, and I love all the colorful lines. It just gives me, I don't know, just like really good vibes, really fun. It really reminds me of like that 90s era of like dance music and lights and like raves, but like classy vibes version. I don't know, it has a really cool retro kind of vibe to it. Super stretchy and comfortable. You just slip it right on. It has a lining. I love this because it's like classy but still not. And you know, those are my vibes. Like, I love a little whorish, like 90s vibe, and I don't know, it's just super fun. I got really creative with the photos for this look, and it was really fun. It inspired me, and the cutout in the back is super sexy and unexpected. So I love this dress for real. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I have so many fun, colorful pieces that I'll be posting on Instagram. So check out my Instagram for more. I'm also going to be doing some IGTVs, and I'm going to show you some more pieces that I didn't show you here. So definitely follow me on Instagram for that. And if you want to see more Fashion Nova content from me, please make sure that you continue to like and comment when I post. Look for my posts, turn on notifications because Instagram be playing me. And make sure that you go to Fashion Nova's page, like and comment on my post on their page, and let them know that you love me, that you want to see more content from me, that I am the person that inspires you to purchase from them. And that just helps me get more work and be able to give you guys more content. You know, it's really competitive out here, and I'm not trying to give you guys like a sob story or anything like that. I'm genuinely saying, like, if you like what I do, if you want to support me for free, this is an easy way to support me by liking, sharing, commenting on my content, and also letting brands know, like, hey, this is who we want to see wearing your clothes. This is who we want to see, you know, doing haul videos. All of that stuff really matters when brands see the same names coming up. They see people supporting these people, they will listen. And you know, sometimes it's hard for me being a little brown fat girl. You know, I know that for some people I may have like certain privileges, and of course there's a lot of privilege in this world. Everyone has different privileges, but there's also a lot of things that I struggle with. And being a, you know, person of color in this industry, being a plus size person of color in this industry, it can be difficult. And so I definitely appreciate whenever you guys support me and let brands know that you want to see content from me. But anyway, I'll stop begging. I just want to say thank you for the support and the love, and I really do appreciate it. Like, I notice the people who comment often. I see your comments, I notice you, and I try my best to interact with each and every one of you. And I just hope you know that I really love and I'm so grateful for all of you. So anyway, sorry for the rant, but I hope you guys have a great day. I love you. Stay glam.